There's nothing quite as fulfilling as crafting something you love with your own hands, something that's both functional and stylish while also serving as a wonderful way to unwind. Crochet encompasses all of these benefits. Now imagine walking into your next yoga class with a one-of-a-kind handmade bag that showcases your crochet talent. Today, we're taking the timeless granny square and adding a twist to create a hexagon-shaped yoga mat bag that's as practical as it is stylish. Hey everyone, my name's Jane and I want to invite you on a crochet adventure today where creativity meets relaxation. Crochet is a fun and versatile way to showcase your personal style, whether you're busy on the go, unwinding at home, or enjoying some leisure time. I bring over 40 years of experience as a crochet designer, during which I've explored various aspects of the craft. I've shared my passion through writing books, teaching classes, and designing patterns. You can also find me on my blog and YouTube channel where I offer a range of inspiration for granny squares and color work. Granny squares are a crochet classic, but today we're putting a fun twist on it by learning how to create a hexagon-shaped version. Once you've mastered your first hexagon, you'll be able to make many more as we work towards creating a stylish and functional yoga mat bag. I'll guide you through each step at a relaxed and comfortable pace, sharing plenty of tips and tricks along the way to make your crochet experience easier and more enjoyable. Color is such a fun part of crochet, but it comes with the question of how to handle all the yarn ends. I'll teach you my favorite tricks for working them in as you go, ensuring a clean, seamless finish without the stress of tidying up all the loose ends afterwards. This class is designed for crocheters who are comfortable with basic stitches and want to work on a fun, playful project while picking up new techniques for color work and assembling projects as we go. I'm so glad that you're here, whether you're creating something unique for yourself or a thoughtful gift for your favorite yoga enthusiast. Join me in this relaxing art form of crochet and let's create something beautiful together.